Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eye. It's me you're looking for. I'm moving right now. So I want to share with you today, as we have rain, as you can see, I have construction ongoing. I'm testing out this Boya mic, which has AI, artificial intelligence, noise cancelling, fancy schmancy. So let's see how it performs. Uh, Not much noise currently. Now, what I do want to talk about is this marker, right? The rope with chalk inside, in this case, blue chalk. The title of the video is Pay for Your Tools. This thing I paid probably about $2 or $3, and it is a piece of crap. And that's what I want to talk about. I contacted Ox Tools, and they said, "What do you need?" And then I broke my hand and couldn't even respond. I'll get some good tools to be testing in here, and then I will also, when I have this crap available, cheap tools, I'll also show and demonstrate why you should pay money for your tools, and you should not skimp on them when you're talking about things that you would require quality and precision from, which this you would. This is a marker to give you straight line. The number one problem is that the chalk comes out of every possible hole. When you flip the handle, it exposes a huge hole, and the chalk comes out, and then it gets all over you and then messes up your line, etc. Ox tools seem to have a very good and actually a selection, a choice of rugged, I don't know, household level, professional level. I'll be getting those, and I'll be demonstrating why again you should invest in good tools. Cheers, stay safe.